देखो, हर आदमी यही कहता है कि मैं बार बार जीत के आता हूं, लेकिन जिताना हराना ये लोगों के हाथ में है, मतदाता के हाथ में है। ये जो कह रहे हैं वो ये अहंकार की बात कर रहे हैं कि मैं वो करूंगा। ये तो 2023 है, 2024 में फिर मैं झंडा लगाऊंगा। ये सब चीजें कहना ये तो दुरहंकार अहंकार की बात है। और बार बार ये अपोजिशन को लेके अगर स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर भी टीका करते रहेंगे तो देश कैसा बनाएंगे।
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who skipped Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort, slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for indicating that the BJP will come to power in 2024. In his address from the Red Fort, Prime Minister Narendra Modi exuded confidence that he will address the nation from the Red Fort next year to list out the progress on the promises he had made to the people. The promise for change brought me here. My performance brought me here once again. The coming 5 years are of unprecedented development and a golden moment to realize the dream of India as a developed nation by 2047, the Prime Minister said in his speech from the ramparts of Red Fort. Next year, on August 15th, from the same Red Fort, I will list out the progress achieved by the nation and sing praise to your strength, your resolve and your success with greater confidence, the PM said in his last Independence Day address before the 2024 Lok Sabha polls.
2019 में परफॉर्मेंस के आधार पर आप सबने मुझे फिर से आशीर्वाद दिया। परिवर्तन का वादा मुझे यहां ले आया, परफॉर्मेंस मुझे दोबारा ले आया और आने वाले 5 साल अभूतपूर्व विकास के 2047 के सपने को साकार करने का सबसे बड़ा स्वर्णिम पल आने वाले 5 साल है। और अगली बार 15 अगस्त को इसी लाल किले से मैं आपको देश की उपलब्धियां, आपके सामर्थ्य, आपके संकल्प, उसमें हुई प्रगति, उसकी जो सफलता है, उसके गौरवगान, उससे भी अधिक आत्मविश्वास के सामने आपके सामने मैं प्रस्तुत करूंगा।
Prime Minister Modi's statement did not go down well with Kharge. Calling the PM and his statement arrogant, Kharge said whether the PM would come to power or not is in the hands of the public. Every person says that they come back again and again after winning. But making you win or lose is in the hands of the people, in the hands of voters. To say in 2023, I will hoist the flag once again in 2024 is arrogance. If he keeps making comments on the opposition even on Independence Day, how will he build the nation? Kharge questioned.
देखो, हर आदमी यही कहता है कि मैं बार बार जीत के आता हूं, लेकिन जिताना हराना ये लोगों के हाथ में है, मतदाता के हाथ में है। ये जो कह रहे हैं वो ये अहंकार की बात कर रहे हैं कि मैं वो करूंगा। ये तो 2023 है, 2024 में फिर मैं झंडा लगाऊंगा। ये सब चीजें कहना ये तो दुरहंकार अहंकार की बात है। और बार बार ये अपोजिशन को लेके अगर स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर भी टीका करते रहेंगे तो देश कैसा बनाएंगे।
A chair reserved for Kharge, who is also the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, was seen empty during the Independence Day function at the Red Fort. On asking the reason why he skipped the Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort, Kharge said that he had some eye-related problem and also he had to hoist the flag at his residence and then at the Congress office as well. The security is so tight that they don't let anyone else leave before the PM leaves. I thought that I would not be able to reach here on time. I thought it better to not go there because of the security situation and lack of time, he added. From the ramparts of the historic Red Fort, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered his 10th Independence Day speech. He equaled the record of hoisting the tricolour for 10 consecutive times, in which he vowed that the country would become one of the top 3 economies of the world and that the nation now identified as a Vishwa Mitra.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.